Here is how to produce a hand wash. First of all, see the items you need to have to be able to protect yourself while producing the hand wash. Here are the list of the chemicals required for the production of at least 8 liters of hand wash. Now, let's take them step by step. Step 1. Soak your SLS in 2 liters of water at least 1 hour before the production process begins. Step 2. Get a bowl that is big enough to contain at least 10 liters of water. Add in about 6 liters of water and dissolve your nitrosol in it. Pour the nitrosol little by little, and as you pour, be turning it, be stirring it. Don't let it sit, otherwise it's going to form bubbles. When you turn it for like 10 to 15 minutes, it will take you to the next step where you need to bring in the soaked SLS and pour into the nitrosol solution. Turn it gently for at least 10 to 15 minutes. It will take you down to when you will add your Texapon. Also turn it gently for at least 10 to 15 minutes. It will take you down to step 5 when you will add your cooking salt. You turn it gently again for at least 10 to 15 minutes, after which you will need to cover your production for at least 3 to 4 hours. Then it will take you to the next step where you need to add in your glycerin. Turn it gently again for at least 10 to 15 minutes, and then you will get at least 100 ml of water. Turn in your color, mix it very well in that water, and then pour it into your production solution. Turn it again for at least 10 to 15 minutes, and then it will take you to the last step when you need to add in your perfume. The perfume should be your choice. It could be banana, it could be strawberry, it could be apple, it could be tangerine. You should make your choice. Turn it in and stir it for another 10 to 15 minutes. Then your production is ready. Cover it up for at least 24 hours before you can package for use or for sale. Please follow the instructions on how to protect yourself. Remember to wear your protective gear. Be very careful, as these chemicals are not friendly to the skin and the human system. Wash off any area that may come in contact with it using white vinegar and clean water. See the doctor immediately if it comes in contact with the eyes.